Hello and welcome. This is a very rudimentary problem. We have to find the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. If the base is given, height is given, we can just see and realize x should be equal to 5 meters and theta. But the purpose of this problem is to demonstrate how to use the DeskCal, the simplest of the test steps. So go to the test steps module, the page, and then launch the DeskCal. Go to the DeskCal tab to launch the app actually. And let's enter the information we know. So the base in meter is, let me look at the numbers again. The base in meter is 4, height is 3, is 4, height in meter is 3. Look, as soon as I press enter, it gets formatted, the input gets formatted, and the results is coming out here. Of course, there is no calculation, the variables are being declared. So the hypotenuse, let's call it x in meter, should be square root. You can just use commonsensical mathematical functions. Square root of hypotenuse square, base square. Again, it follows the standard syntax used in Excel, etc. Plus height in meter square. So we'd always have a habit of always putting the unit next to the variable. That solves a ton of problems later on. So of course the hypotenuse is 5 meters. So let's see, how do you find theta? So theta would be in radian if we use the trigonometric inverse tangent, a tan of height by base. That's tan inverse. So this is in radian. Let's convert theta to degree. We know if you take theta in radian and multiply it by 180 divided by pi, then we should be able to get theta in radian. So as you can see, the theta in radian has been calculated here at the bottom, and it's a pretty simple to code. The nice thing about this is that any time you can go and change something. Suppose you say, no, base is not 4, it's 5. So all you have to do is to click the calculate and all the results will be updated. And you will have a nice record. You can always copy these and copy the code and keep for later use. You can just paste it here, click calculate, and you can regenerate a solution.